Prophet Elvis Mbonye is way higher than Prophet Elisha or Prophet Elijah. He's way higher than John the Baptist. He's way higher than any apostle in the New Testament because he has a more perfect covenant. You see, this shouldn't shock people unless they don't read the Bible. Because when Jesus showed up, people were stumbled. They said, why don't you be like John? No. He's a different man. You get it? So you can't get any because you can't compare Moses. You can't compare Abraham to Prophet Elvis Mbonye.
Who is better? Who is higher? Who is
Prophet Elvis Mbonye is way higher than Abraham, Moses, Elijah, Elisha. In terms of wealth, in terms of dominion, in terms of glory, because Prophet Elvis Mbonye comes after the order of Christ, so everything about him is way higher. And you know, it is very easy for you to acknowledge that actually Jesus was higher than Moses, not so? But then a person who comes after the order of Jesus is subsequently higher than them.
So literally, Prophet Elvis Mbonye is next to Jesus.
He is in Jesus. He just like any child of God is with him. He's not. In fact, saying Prophet Elvis Mbonye is next to Jesus is an understatement. He's in him. He's in him.
How?
He's seated with him in, if you read the Bible, it says that, and that's even for every child of God. You're seated with Christ in the heavenly places. You're not seated next to him or near him. You are in him. I don't want to say blasphemous things here, but I would have said, but probably the people, I have to be wise in what I say to the public. Yeah. But the Bible says in the book of 1 John 4:7 that as he is, so are we in this world. What does that mean to you? Does anybody need to see Jesus when they see the man of God? Say, as he is, so are you in this world. As he is. As he is, not as he was or will be, as he is. Right now, the way Jesus is right now is what we are. And so that's what the church has failed to acknowledge, that they have failed to acknowledge their authority. They would rather be humble and cool and say Jesus is up there, for us we are here. That's why they're not rich like the remnants. They're not rich like us. They don't control the narrative. They will control the narrative. They don't control the order of things. That's why they would rather wait for a politician to come and declare who will be the next president. No. I need not wait for the Electoral Commission to declare. The Electoral Commission will only play on the narrative of Prophet Elvis Mbonye. That's what it will do. I will be the president of this nation. Prophet Elvis Mbonye will anoint and appoint. There is no man or woman, whether they are currently seated in that chair or they desire to sit in it, who will not sit in it in 2021, who Prophet Elvis